Good morning, girls. Myself, Dr. Anjurani, Department of Mathematics, GD College, Alwar. I am taking the class of BSc second year, and we are starting the second paper, that is differential equation. This word differential equation consists of two letters, differentiation and equations. First, let us understand the meaning of differentiation. In your class 12th, you had studied differentiation and integration both. Differentiation means if there are two variables x and y, say x is independent and y depends on x, that is, a small increase in the value of x also increases the value of y, or decrease in x decreases the value of y, that is, small change in the value of x reflects the change in the value of y, that is called the differential operator dy by dx, and it is represented as differential limit x tending to 0 del y by del x. Now you are used to of this operator. Now if we are having an equation in which there are a combination of variables x, y and their derivatives, then such type of equations are called differential equation. And the solution of these equations means we have to integrate these equations. For example, let us take equations dy by dx is equal to 3x plus 2y plus 1 upon x plus y minus 1. Let us say this is one equation. Or let us take some another equation, 1 plus dy by dx square raised power 5 by 2 is equal to d2y upon dx square. Let us say it as equation number 2. Or d cube y upon dx cube minus 5 d2y upon dx square plus 4 dy by dx is equal to 3x. Equation number 3. Or x del z by del x plus y del z by del y is equal to nz. There are 4 examples. These all equations are relationship between x, y and their derivatives. Here you are seeing the equation number 4. It is different from the first 3 equations. In this equation, there are more than 2 variables, that is x, y and z. Here x and y are independent variables and z depends on x and y. So depending on the number of variables, there are two types of equation: ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation means the differential equation in which there is only one independent variable and one dependent variable. For example, equation first, second and third. Second type of equations are partial differential equation. Partial differential equation are having more than 2 variables. Example as equation number 4. There are 3 variables. In this differential equation, z is a function of x and y, 2 variables, and we are differentiating z with respect to x, keeping y as constant, and this operator is defined as del by del x of z. That is, derivative of z with respect to x keeping y as constant, and similarly derivative of z with respect to y keeping x as constant. These are called partial derivatives, and an equation formed with the help of these partial derivatives, like x del z by del x plus y del z by del z is equal to nz. This is called partial differential equation. So there are 2 types of equation. Now solving the differential equation means we have to integrate them, and for this I will request to all of you that all of you should recall all your integration formulas. so that you cannot have any problem while solving the differential equation. Before solving the differential equations, we have to go through some definition related with this. First is order of differential equation. Order of differential equation. The order of differential equation means highest order derivative contained in the equation is called the order of differential equation. For example, in equation number 1, highest order derivative is dy by dx only, that is the order of differential equation is 1. In the second equation, highest order derivative is d2y upon dx square, so order is 2. In third equation, order is 3, and fourth equation again order is 1. Second thing is degree of differential equation. Degree of differential equation means highest order derivatives degree is called the degree of that differential equation. In this, highest order derivative is 1 and its power is 1, so degree is 1. Here in equation number 2, highest order derivative is d2y upon dx square, but the equation power is in fractions, in irrational numbers. So first we will make them rational. The power we will make them rational. Means we will square equation number 2, and by squaring the equation number 2, we see it becomes 1 plus dy by dx का square की whole power 5 is equal to d2y upon dx square का whole square. Now you may be confused that this power is 5. No, highest order derivative is 2 and its power we have to take, and its power is 2. So this differential equation is of order 2 and degree also 2. Clear? Again in the equation number 3, the degree of differential equation will be highest order derivative is dqy upon dx square. Its power, that is 1. Its degree is again 1. Fourth equation, this is partial differential equation. In this differential equation also degree and order both are equal to 1. So this was about the differential equations, the type of differential equation, order and degree of differential equation. Now the solution of differential equation. To solve the differential equation, how we will solve it, we have to understand this. Solution of differential equation means we have to find out the equation without differential operators, means without having the term dy by dx. To solve the differential equation, what type of solution we are having? First type is general solution. General solution of differential equation means the number of order in the differential equation. We have to consider the order of differential equation, and equal to the order of differential equation, if we are having the arbitrary constant, then such a differential equation is called ordinary, and such a solution is called the general solution. For example, if we are having the equation d2y upon dx square plus k square y is equal to 0, its solution will be y is equal to a cos kx plus b sin kx minus b sin kx, right? Or if we are having the equation dy by dx is equal to mx, the solution of equation will be y is equal to mx square by 2 plus c. See, this is second order differential equation. So its solution is giving us two constants a and b. This is first order differential equation. It is giving us one constant c. So in these solutions, the number of constants are equal to the degree of the differential order of the differential equations. So these are called the general solutions. Then second solution is particular solution. As the name indicate, that particular values, if these constants are being given some particular value, then these solutions are called particular solution. For example, in first one example, there are two constants. If we say that x equal to 0, y at x equal to pi by 2, y is 0, and at x equal to 0, y is 1, we can find out the values of a and b. Similarly, in this equation, if we give some particular value to c, say 1, 2, 3 or any other value, then this solution will be called particular solutions. Clear? We are giving some fixed value to a, b, and similarly in the second equation we are giving some value to c, then this is called the particular solution. Okay, for example, in first case we take a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Solution will be y is equal to cos of kx. Solution of equation d2y upon dx square plus k square y will be equal to y is equal to kx. This is called the particular solution. Similarly, if we are giving values to c, the value c is equal to say 2, then y is equal to mx square by 2 plus 2 will be the solution of this second equation. So these are two types of the solution, general solution and then particular solution. Then another type of solution is singular solution. Singular solution means vichitra hal. General solution, this is also called vyapak hal. Particular solution, that is vishisht hal. Singular solution means vichitra hal. If in a differential equation we cannot obtain the solution by the general solution, by giving particular values to the general solution, then such type of the solution is called singular solution. For example, see y is equation, let us take equation y equal to dy by dx of x plus a dx upon dy. This equation cannot be obtained by the solution of equation y is equal to mx plus a by m. The general solution of this is this. Okay? And its solution of this equation is y equal to mx plus a by m is y dy by dx plus a dx upon dy. And its singular solution will be y square equal to 4ax. Okay? The solution of this equation, y is equal to dy by dx x plus a dx upon dy. Its general solution is y is equal to mx plus a by n, and its singular solution is y square equal to 4ax. So these are the solutions of the equation. In our next lecture, we will study how to solve the equations, because as we had studied first order differential equation, second order differential equation. So in our next lecture, first of all we will study first order and first degree differential equations.